that. Thank you.
You got that in a quarter mile?
Yeah.
What's the turn?
Depends on how much I had to drink to tell you that story. No, I don't drink no more, but I keep it under 11s because I'll have to get a roll bar in it. And then I get a roll bar, I can't get in and out. It's no fun. Thanks. I had it said 74.
Take it up to Bakersfield.
I take it to Bakersfield, Eagle Field, Kentucky, wherever they'll let me race.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, check out my racing videos on my YouTube channel, Randysfiftysevenchevy.
Oh, okay.
And I put all these videos I do here and the videos I do in the morning on Saturday mornings. So who went overboard here?
Barb and Larry. Where's Larry?
Don't know.
That's really going overboard.
Yeah, it did.
So last year, somebody had balloons, and I was parked over there, and one of the balloons went underneath my car. I didn't see it, so I went home. That was on a Friday. Saturday, I go over here to the car show in the morning. I come down this road, and there's flames coming up from underneath my car. It's one of those Mylar balloons burning. Get my fire extinguisher, put the fire out. Continued on. No harm, no foul. Oh man, this guy is sick.
Yeah.
He's sick.
He's had better days.
Get him to the hospital.
That's Frankie.
Frankie, yeah. Oh, he has his eyes light up.
Oh, there's Larry right there.
Oh, you're the one of the sicko that did this? What's wrong with you?
Thank you.
You resemble that remark? This is a cool car, man.
Thank you.
Even with all the garbage on it.
41, it's all.
41?
Yeah.
Did you do it yourself?
No, I bought it. It was real dull, like this black here.
Yeah.
I got it, and I was getting ready to paint it, and I started polishing it, and I started cleaning up. I ain't doing nothing to it.
Oh, it's perfect. It's done. So you bought it just like this?
Pretty much, yeah. I bought it from Dave Allen.
Really? That was me in divorce court a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw the car show in Wrightwood.
Yeah? Yeah, that's a nice little show. I like that show.
Followed it down and found it over in San Bernardino. And actually found out who owned it. Dave Allen, and when we went to meet him, or my wife talked to him, he said, hey, they knew each other.
From high school?
No, from the Speedway.
Oh, from the Speedway.
She is from so he and her knew each other.
California Speedway, the AutoZone or the Ontario? Or Riverside? Which Speedway?
Right there.
Oh, Fontana?
Yes.
Oh.
It's a 283. It's running a tri-power on it. And it runs good.
Yeah, I mean, easy to work on. Runs cool.
Very nice.
My date last night. What is it? What transmission?
It's 350.
350 with a rear end is a what? Vega
The Ford.
S10, a 9-inch
9-inch Ford. Got a Mustang front end.
Mustang front end. Julio. Well, it's going to be on YouTube tomorrow.
A 57. 41, I have a 29,
Oh, cool.
and I have a 52.
Oh, wow.
That was my wife's. I don't have a diner, I just have a card.
I was just saying. Wow.
Larry over here. That's a big sign there.
Right.
Made me up on the cars in it. And I have a business card.
That's a cool idea. That's cool. I can have it? Thanks. Like I say, it'll be on YouTube tomorrow under the Halloween, Mosby Boy Halloween. Yeah. And it's always good to have a record to show other people who would never come out, you know. Feel like I'm looking at somebody's skirt.
Like you haven't done it before.
He got you there.
They say my camera's on. They say a word. That's cool. I love it because you know what? There's only one of them. I've never seen one here. It's a 46?
41.
41. Now I had a 37 and I have a 57, but I'm lost in the 40s because
Some lady come by here a while ago and said her dad had one like this. She used to sit on the running board. So this doesn't have running boards. They're inside.
right.
They're there.
Right.
She says, well, I think it was a 43 or 44. I go, no, I'm sorry it wasn't that because they didn't make them. Chevrolet, this is the last one Chevrolet made because of World War II.
Right.
40,
Well, you don't see it.
47 was the first one they made. 41 to 47, they didn't make them.
And that is the original grill too. Larry, it's a beauty.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure.
It's good enough to be on my YouTube channel. It'll be on
Thank you.
tomorrow. This is cool too. 50?
52.
52. I'll never get it right.
52 F1.
I got the best wheel in the world, Krager. What keeps you busy, all these cars, huh?
It does.
I remember I had a couple and I going, shit, I gotta sell one of these. I'm not driving them. I'm working on, spend more time working on them driving them.
We just, about 2-3 months ago, we bought a 40.
A 40?
40 Ford. It
Okay.
used to be Skip Davis, belonged to Skip Davis. He was part of the Cruising Brothers.
Right.
Passed away.
Really?
And
God, I remember Skip. God.
his family, they wanted to have a car show for him. And they wouldn't, the city wouldn't let him do it on the park. So they done it on
Wow, that's cool of you.
like a divorce. 175 people.
Wow, I wish I knew. I would again.
We set up the classics up the driveway on this side, across the driveway. I have a big shop.
Wow, that was cool of you.
I've got 5 classics in there.